Hi everyone, it's Cindy from Cindy's Art Watercolor Lessons. On my channel, especially for the summer, what you're going to find are some loose watercolors, and I am using Brusho by Colorcraft in some of my pictures that I'm using with Holbein paints, Arches watercolor paper, and brushes I highlight and I'll show you in the videos. I also do realistic botanical pictures. I love the ocean, so you're going to find there's times where I will do loose abstract paintings. I'll try to do more realistic watercolor ocean paintings that you'll find. I try to keep my videos a little short so that way you can slow down the videos yourself and you can view them at your own pace. I also created a number of birds this summer that were loose. I like this one, it was a lot of fun. I do landscape watercolor pictures, and this one I was focusing on the sun rays that come through trees, farmland, what does a stormy sky look like, how to paint that, and tilt your paper so that way you get a natural slant while you paint, and even provided this lavender field that is from France. You'll also find abstract watercolor pictures or looser style of lavender fields. I have a lot of different types of flowers on my channel. Explore them. Take a look at the playlist so that way you get acquainted with where things are at. That's it for today. I'm giving you a quick overview on what you can find on Cindy's Art Watercolor Lesson channel. We'll see you guys on the channel, and give me your comments on the polls and your insights and questions within the videos or the community page. We'll see you next time.